If you give me the next few minutes, I'll show you how 7 powerful books can change the way you think about money, wealth, and freedom. These books aren't just theory, they're practical roadmaps to financial independence, guiding you step by step toward building lasting prosperity. Whether you're drowning in debt, just starting out, or looking to grow your wealth, these titles are your blueprint for financial freedom. Let's dive right in. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert T. Kiyosaki. First up, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is the classic money mindset book that flips traditional financial wisdom on its head. Through the contrasting lessons of his Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Kiyosaki shows why the wealthy think about money differently. The book emphasizes financial education, assets versus liabilities, and the importance of investing. It's less about working harder for money and more about making money work for you. This book sets the foundation for anyone ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Next, The Millionaire Next Door uncovers the surprising truth about America's wealthy. Spoiler: most millionaires don't drive luxury cars or live in mansions. They live modestly and spend carefully. Stanley and Danko's research reveals that wealth is built through frugality, discipline, and consistent investing rather than flashy lifestyles. The book challenges our assumptions and proves that quiet wealth, not loud spending, is the true path to financial freedom. Your Money or Your Life, Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Your Money or Your Life is a transformational guide that makes you rethink the relationship between money and life. Robin and Dominguez introduce the concept of calculating the real cost of your purchases in terms of life energy, the time you trade to earn money. By aligning spending with your values and focusing on what truly matters, the book helps you achieve both financial independence and personal fulfillment. It's a powerful wake-up call for anyone chasing money at the expense of their happiness. The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover is a no-excuses, step-by-step plan for getting out of debt and building wealth. Famous for his baby steps method, Ramsey guides readers through budgeting, eliminating debt with the snowball method, building an emergency fund, and finally investing for the future. His tough love approach and practical advice make it a must-read for anyone serious about taking control of their financial life. It's not flashy, it's a proven formula for lasting stability. The Simple Path to Wealth, J.L. Collins. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is often described as a love letter to financial freedom. Originally written as letters to his daughter, Collins simplifies the often intimidating world of investing. His core message is simple: live below your means, avoid debt, and invest in low-cost index funds. With practical wisdom and straightforward strategies, the book demystifies investing and provides a stress-free path to building long-term wealth. It's perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi. Next up, Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a modern, fun, and highly practical guide for millennials and anyone who wants to automate their financial success. Sethi covers everything from optimizing bank accounts and credit cards to investing smartly and negotiating salaries. What makes this book stand out is its action-oriented approach. You don't just read about money, you build systems that make wealth creation automatic. With humor and clarity, Sethi empowers you to design a rich life on your terms. Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. Finally, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is the timeless classic that has inspired generations of entrepreneurs and wealth builders. Though written in 1937, its principles of desire, belief, persistence, and imagination remain just as powerful today. Hill interviewed hundreds of successful people to uncover the common habits and mindsets that lead to success. At its core, the book is about mastering your mindset, proving that wealth begins in your thoughts before it appears in your bank account. And there you have it, 7 books that together form a complete roadmap to financial freedom. From shifting your money mindset and crushing debt to investing wisely and building wealth for generations. These guides are the tools you need to achieve unshakable financial independence. So pick one or read them all and start your journey toward a future where money works for you, not the other way around. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.